In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share only part of a Notion database, solving the mystery of granular database permissions. If you've ever wanted to share just a portion of your Notion database with others without giving them access to everything, you're in the right place. By the end of this session, you'll be able to tailor access to exactly what you want to share, which is super handy for collaborating on projects while maintaining control over your information. Let's start by heading to your connected workspace on Notion. This is where you store your wiki, documents, projects, and more. If you haven't already logged into Notion, click on the Login button. Make sure you have your credentials ready, or get them saved for easy access if you do this often. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Notion homepage. This hub is essential because it provides access to all your pages, helping you organize your work efficiently. Now, on the Notion home, find the page that contains the database you want to share. Once you identify it, click on that page. This part is crucial because it opens up the view where you can start customizing what others will see. With your page open, imagine the view you want to share. It's time to create a focused view of your database. Here's how you do it. Type in Wash Linked View of Database. This command lets you create a new view of your database on the same page. What's great about this linked view is that it helps you filter and sort the data however you need. You are essentially mirroring the original database, but with the power to customize what parts are visible. This means you can decide to share just a particular subset of your data. Perhaps only tasks from a specific project or certain timelines that are relevant to your collaborators. Once the linked view is set up, adjust the filters and sorting options to display just the information you want to share. Maybe you want to filter by a specific tag, or only show entries that fall under a particular category. You have the flexibility to decide exactly what visible information makes the most sense for your purposes. After setting up the linked view and ensuring that only the right data is exposed, you can now share it. Click the Share button at the top right of your Notion page to control who gets to see this finely tailored view. You might want to set permissions, allowing people to view, comment, or even edit, depending on what level of interaction you wish them to have. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully managed to share a specific part of your Notion database, ensuring that you only provide access to the necessary parts while keeping the rest secure. It's a neat way to collaborate efficiently without compromising on privacy. Thank you for tuning in, and happy Notioning!